Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. If you want to make your own electricity, click on the links down below. Today, I'm in Gilmore's car museum. I found Bob Segars' car. Isn't that amazing? See if we can get this poster in here without a glare. 1965 Ford Mustang, 2x2, fastback, Caspian blue, 289, 2-barrel, 3-speed. And on the photo, it's Bob Segars. And it is wild. Look at the glare. It's okay. It's a spectacular, beautiful car. And the back seat folds down. Thank you for the history, Bob Segars. I'm going to read some of this. We got people coming in. I don't want to be in their way. 1965 Ford Mustang 2x2 fastback, San Jose plant, Ford Motor Company, Detroit, Michigan. Detroit Rockers, Bob Segars, 1965 Mustang. See if I get a good handle on this. If you follow the Ford Mustang collector world, then you may have heard about the 1965 Mustang, first owned by famed Detroit rock and roll artist Bob Segars. Longtime muscle car collectors Dave and Kay Purcell of Charlotte, Michigan, now own this piece of Detroit history and have even enjoyed some Hollywood nights. One of the songs. All right, there's people coming, so I'm going to leave it at that. A little bit of Bob Segars history at the Gilmore Car Museum, and have a nice sunny day.